Hello students, today I am discussing difference between stem tendril and leaf tendril. Chapter number 4, class 11, NCERT based. Welcome back once again in your biology class. This is Nowsin and you are watching your most favorite channel, Educational Support. So, are you ready? So, let's get started. So this is the picture of stem tendril and this is the picture of leaf tendril. So stem tendril and leaf tendril are two types of tendrils basically found in climbing plants. Stem tendrils is a modified stem or a stem branch. You know that. So in contrast, leaf tendril is a modified leaf, leaflet or leaf part. Actually, stem tendril is more commonly branched while leaf tendril is usually unbranched. So this is the difference between stem tendril and leaf tendril. Another difference are stem tendril is basically composed of stem tissues while leaf tendril is basically composed of leaf tissues. So this is the another difference between stem tendril and leaf tendril. In case of stem tendril, the axil of scale leaves may possess buds, while in leaf tendril buds are absent. So this is the another difference between stem tendril and leaf tendril. So thank you for your watching, thank you for your support. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell and turn on the notification. So tata, bye bye, see you in the next video.